Hello, good evening, friend. Let us read out the electronic configurations today because and that is asked by my student. So, what that meaning of electronic configuration means, student? So, with simple meaning, what is that? Is if you are going to understand electronic. So, meaning of electronic is what is student? This is meaning is the electron. Electronic means electron, and when you are talking about the configuration means distribution. Configuration means distribution in orbitals. Okay. So distribution in orbitals. Of how many orbital? What orbitals, student? In what orbital? In s orbital. You can say this is in s orbital, and secondly in p orbital, student. P orbital, or if they can say in d orbital. Next one is there in d orbital, and one more orbital is there, student, that is in f orbital. So these are the orbital, student, and we will have to study that is distribution of electron in these all the four orbitals. Okay, so first of all you should know that is how many maximum electron is possible. So maximum electron, one orbital, the rule is saying one orbital can have maximum how many electron, student? Maximum 2 electron. Okay, student. So if you have maximum 2 electron means s orbital is only one type. It is the one type. Okay, one type. So one type means it is, student, only one type. So it is having maximum 2 electron. If you talk about p orbital, it is 3 type, student. 3 type. So 3 type means what, student? This is, if you talk about little bit in the condensed way, so that is, this is known as what? Px and py and pz. So 3 type are there, means, student. So means one orbital, one type is having 2 electrons. So 3 type is having how many? 6 electron. Now d orbital, student, if you talk about, this is the 5 types. D orbital is 5 types. So if d orbital is 5 types, students, so that is how many electron is possible? You can check it out, student. You will kind 1 2 3 4, okay, 5. So that is name is dxy, then dyz, dzx, okay, and this orbital is dx square minus y square, and finally this is the dz square. The name is not important, student. We will study the name in all detail. So how many electron is possible? That is 1 2 3 4 5. 1 electron, then 6 7 8 9 and 10. So 10 electron maximum. F orbital is 7 type, student. F orbital is 7 types. So 7 type, student, how many electron is possible in F orbital? Here you see the downside. So 7 type I am making like this, student, and in this 7 type how the electron will filled, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So here firstly 1 electron, no name is there for F orbital, student, because of the diffuse shape. Okay, so complex shape. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and then it will go pairing 8 9 10 11 12 13 and 14. So 14 electron. So dear student, what we type, that is what we found, that is we found that is in the orbital shape. I have made the another video, student. If you need the shape of orbital, I will give you the another link for you for the shape of orbital. You can ask in the message box. So what is there, student? We got that is s orbital, p orbital, d orbital, f orbital. So maximum electron is 2 electron. Here is the maximum electron 6 electron. Here maximum electron 10 electron. Here maximum electron how much? 14 electron. So these many electron is possible, student. These many electron is possible in the. Up they are saying that is electronic configuration. If you write the definition, student, distribution of electron in these orbital is known as electronic configuration. So better we can write that is better we can write the definition also. The distribution of electron, the distribution of electron, the distribution of electron, distribution of electrons in orbitals is known as, okay, electronic configuration is known as electronic configuration, is known as electronic configuration. Student, this is okay, that is known as electronic configuration. They are asking, if they are asking, that is the rule for electronic configuration. Next heading will be rule for electronic configuration. Rule for electronic configuration. So there are so many rules, student. Electronic configuration, rules for electronic configuration. So there are so many rules, but one rule let us study, student. So that is first rule is the Aufbau rule. AUFBAU, Aufbau rule. Okay. Second one is the N plus L rule. N plus L rule. And third one rule is third word is the Hund's rule. Hund's rule is also there. That is also known as Hund's rule. Hund's rule. So we will study this rule. Other rule we will study later on, student. So first of all, let us study the Aufbau rule. Aufbau rule is almost enough for the electronic configuration. Okay. So what is Aufbau rule? From here, student, if you talk about the Aufbau rule, AUFBAU. AUFBAU, Aufbau rule. So what the rule is, very simple rule he gave student, and what he said, that is electrons are filled in, various orbital. How they are filled, student? Filled in various orbitals in increasing order of what, student? Increasing order of energy of orbital. Dear student, what they said, that is how the electron will fill, that is in increasing order of energy of orbital. For example, first one electron will go 1s, then electron will go 2s, then electron will go 2p, then electron go, that is 3s, then electron go, that is 4p, then electron go 3d. Okay, so this is the increasing order of energy of orbital. Okay, increasing order of energy of orbital. So dear student, energy of orbital. So first of all, that is s orbital will take 2 electron, then 2 electron, then 6 electron, then 2 electron, then 6 electron, then 10. So this is the increasing order of energy of orbital. He gave the Aufbau rule, given the one simplistic diagram, student, and that with the help of diagram we will be able to know, that is if there are so many orbitals, so how you will be able to proceed. You see, so that is firstly he gave 1s. Okay, how he gave the diagram to find the order 1s, then it is 2s and 2p, student, then that is 3s and 3p and 3d. Okay, finally he gave, that is 4s, 4p and 4d and 4f also, and finally 5s, that is 5p, 5d and 5f. Next one is 6s, 6p, 6d, and here is 7s and 7p. This many he gave, and what he said, that is student, like that energy will move. So first one electron is going here 1s, then it will return back on, then energy will fill, electron will fill in the 2s. After 2s, student, what will be, here is electron, it will going again back, and then 2p and 3s will come. So here you see, student, you can write 1s, then 2s is coming, then what is coming, student? 2p is coming, then 3s is coming. Okay, now, okay, I hope I am writing on the top, student. Then 3s is coming. Now after 3s, again it will come back here, and it will go, electron will go 3p, and after 3p, student, after 3p it will go 4s. So you see, student, so 3s, then 3p is coming, then how, which one is coming, student? 4s. And after 4s, again it will return back here, so it will come 3d, 4p and 5s. So here we can write, student, so here is what, 3d, and then it is coming 4p and then 5s, then it is 5s, then what will come, student? Again you can come back here like that, so you can check out. So 4d is coming, student, 4d, then it will come what, student? 5p and then 6s, again it will come back, student, here back side, then this one f orbital will also involve. Okay, so what is will coming, student? That is 4f, then 5d, then what is coming, student? 6p. Okay, 6p, and after what is student 6p, then 7s, and finally student this one will come. What are these orbital? 7s. After 7s, which one will come student? 5f. Okay, then after 5f, what will 6d, and how much? That is 7p. 6d and then 7p. So this is the energy of orbital student. Here we can write here student, increasing order of energy, increasing order of energy, increasing order of energy, increasing order of energy of orbital, energy of orbitals, increasing order of energy of orbitals. One more time I am saying, what is student? S orbital 2 electron, p orbital maximum 6 electron, d orbital how many electron? 10 electron. Okay, and if you are f orbital, that is 14 electron. That you have to keep in mind always in your mind when you are going to write the electronic configuration. So what I am going to do is student, what I am going to do, I am erasing the diagram and then I am going with the example. So I am erasing this diagram student. I am not erasing the energy order student. Energy order is as it is. But what we can do here, from this order, you can check out. For example, here I am writing student. For example, here right side of the board. So left side of the board, example number 1. So that is first you say what example is there student. First element is hydrogen. Hydrogen is having electron 1. So that is first electron is going 1s. So this will be 1s. Electron will be written on the top of the orbital. So 1s1. If you talk about helium student, so helium is 2. So that is what will come student, 1s2, 2 electron 2. Up if you talk about lithium student, lithium, so 3 electron, how will be there student? 1s2, maximum 2 electron in 1s orbital. Then how many left out of 3? 2 already mentioned student. So that is 2 and then 2s1. If you talk about the beryllium student, beryllium 4 electron. So how you will go student? Beryllium, generally you can write here like that 2 and 2, 4. So if you write the configuration, so here is 1s2 and then which one is coming student? 2s2. So here is configuration is 2s2. This is the normal configuration that you know already student. If you talk about boron student 5 electron, so how the configuration? 2 and 5. So how you distribute student? That is 1s2 will be like this, then comma 5 electron is valence shell. So that is how this will 5 electron student. Here is the 3. So how 3 electron student? Then one after 1s 2s is coming. So that is 2s, s orbital maximum electron 2. The 2s2. Then how many left? 1 electron is left student. So 1 electron left, 1 is going in the 2p. So that is 2p1. So this configuration you know from the 10th and 9th standard. Now after boron you go the carbon student, carbon electronic number 6. If atomic number is 6 student, that is the 6 electron it is having. So 2 and 4 configuration. Now do in the orbital. So this will be 1s2 and then what will happen student? 2s2 and then 2p come. 2, so that is will come 2p2. Both the 2 to 4 to 6. So that is 6. Now let us move and try to write down some other electronic configuration of other element. If you talk about the nitrogen student, nitrogen. So nitrogen is the atomic number 7, means 7 electron it is having. So that is how the configuration you can do student, 2 and 5. 2 and 5 means 7. So in the first cell how many electron will be student? In the first cell 2 electron and valence shell 5 electron. So how to do student? That is it is the 1s2, then it will come that is 2s2 and then 2p, how many electron? That is 2p3. Nitrogen, after nitrogen, so which one will come student? Oxygen will come. Oxygen is 8. So here is student 2 and 6 configuration. So what is student? 1s2, then what will come student? 2s2 and 2p4. 2 to 4, 4, 8 electron. If you talk about fluorine student, fluorine is 9. So what is 2 and 7? 2 and 7. So what will come student? 1s2, then it will come student 2s2, then it will come student 4 is over student. So how many left student? If the 2p5. So you add out the electron student, you will be able to know that is how many electrons are there if you are try. So 2 to 4, 5, 7. P orbital can have maximum 6 electron. Now you come fluorine, after that you come neon. Neon means 10. So 10 means what is student? 2 and what is student? 8. So 2 and 8 means what is student? 1s2. Okay. Then 2s2 and then what is student 2p6. So this is 6 electron will come student. Now after neon what will come student? Let us move some other student. What other example you can check student? That is the sodium, okay, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, bromine, no, chlorine, okay. After chlorine what will come student? Argon. So okay, let us write down their atomic number student. 11, here is 12 electron, 13 electron, this is 14 electron, 15 electron, 16 electron, 17 electron and 18. Now do the configuration according to the above rule student, how you will be able to do configuration. So that is, its configuration is 2, 8 and 1. Okay, according to the Bohr's atomic model, 2, 8, 1 you can divide. And how to write the in the orbital student? This is the 1s2, then it will come 2s2, then it will come 2p6. So that is 2p6, 6 electron, 2, 2, 4, 6, 1 left. So that is what will come student? 3s1 according to energy level 3s1. Next one, magnesium, what much come student? That is 12 electron is there. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, then 3s2. अब s2 is filled student. Now after s2 which one will come? That is p will come. So 1s2, then 2s2, then 2p6, then 3s2 and 3p1. You add student 2, 2, 4, 6, 10, 12, 1, 13. Now if you are coming for the silicon, 1s2, then it is 2s2, then 2p6, then 3s2 student and 3p2. Last one, phosphorus student, 1s2, okay. Then what will come student? That is 2s2, then 2p6. What is coming next one? 3s2, 3p3. This is the phosphorus. 2, 2, 4, 6, 10, 12, 12, 3, 15. If you are going for sulfur, 1s2, this is 2s2, then 2p6, 3s2 and 3p4. You can add out sulfur 16, though 2 to 4 to 6 for 10, 12 for 16. Chlorine student, that is 1s2, this is coming 2s2 and 2p6, and next one is 3s2 and 3p5. This is chlorine. Now if you are coming for argon student, what will come? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, and here is 3s2 and 3p6. Dear student, 2 to 4, 6, 10, 12, 6, 18. So you try to add out like this student, and if you are not able to understand for other element, you can ask in the message box student. Thank you so much for watching friends.